Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I am back with another tutorial video of how you can sign in as a Shein affiliate program. So to get started, first of all head over to your Google Chrome browser and in the search box type in Shein affiliate program, and then you'll be appear with several options or several results. Now from the shown results, simply tap on the second link. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to somewhat like this. Now what you can do is simply fill up all the details that has been asked on the form. So let's fill it. Once you have filled it, simply tap on next. Now doing so will help you reach out to another form. Now as shown on the form, simply type your promotional type, like if you want to create an individual account or if you want to create account for your company. So once you have selected it, the type of promotional you want to open, you will be appear with another form right there. Simply fill up all the details and you will be taken to next page and follow up with all the process that will be asked on the website, and you are good to go and you will be successfully signed in to Shein affiliate program. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.